To play the ultimate team match against AI in FC26, first of all we'll need to open our ultimate team, then we can navigate to the home section. You can see the button that you need to press in the top left corner of the screen, so click on that button and select play. Next step is to scroll to the right until we select the play versus AI. And then we can go for a enter squad battles. Then there's moments and single player draft. So in this case I'm gonna go for a squad battles and then we can enter it. You can also invite your friend for a session co-op if you like. Then finally you will need to pick your featured team and also opponent team. And then we need to advance. Select your controller. And then just ready up, pick your kit, and play the match. So here we have it. As you can see, the game begins, and that is basically everything for that video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.